If you want to gift an Audible book, I have some great news. You don't even need to be an Audible member to do this. If you are a member, you can gift an audiobook using one of your credits, or you can save them for yourself and buy the book with a credit card, which as a member of 9 years, I would not recommend unless the book costs less than a credit. Anyway, this is how to do this on your computer. Step 1, go to the gift center. Step 2, search for the audiobook that you want to give someone as a gift. Step 3, click Give as a Gift. Step 4, choose how you want to send the gift. It could be an email or you could print it out. Step 5, enter information about the gift. Email, name, who it's from, the delivery date, and if you want, you could add a message, and then hit continue after you're done. Step 6, lastly, click buy for X dollar amount, or you could use a credit if you're a member, unless it's a credit from a book return or credits received as part of a membership, because those stink. I don't know why. I did talk about this in depth in one other video though, and I'll link that in the description. But there you have it. That's how to gift an Audible book. For a more general idea of what Audible is, how it works, credits, memberships, and just a walkthrough of the app, I did an amazing video going over all of that, and I'll link that in the description below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because I don't get why people watch this far into my videos and they don't subscribe. Most of my videos are book reviews and they're like 10-15 minutes each. But if you have subscribed and you want to turn it up just a notch and turn on that notification bell to get a notification whenever I drop new videos, that would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome rest of your day.